I know you're going to ask me back, but if as a leader you were going to make one change, one shift tomorrow to get more value from your data and analytics processes, what would that be?
Yeah, James. So this is the easy one today. I think the call to actions in the previous webinars were a bit more complex. It required a lot of stuff that you had to go and do, and it's an easy one, but it's a difficult mind shift to make. But I think if you start thinking about this practically, it makes things a bit easier, and I think it brings clarity over time. And I think it's really about shifting your mind shift and your focus from being delivery first to value first. Whatever you're doing today, if it's now any new project that comes in, any new project that you're working on, even a project that's been running for some time, is to sit down, even if it's just an A4 piece of paper, and you take a pen to it, and you just write down conceptually what you think the value would be or should be from the work that you are doing, right? And I'm expecting, and I'm sort of putting this out there, is I'm assuming that value wasn't clearly defined for these use cases. You wrote the typical business case, you said this is the expected value from it, and you're not really necessarily tracking against it. Specifically, if it's sort of these nice purchases where we're doing it to explore to see if we can enable something, like let's try and do something. If you have some of those use cases today, either as um, a data professional or from a business perspective, to sit down with a piece of paper, even if you're a data professional coding on a platform or developing dashboards, and you're consistently getting requests in, and there's demand being generated around what you need to deliver. If you just take a piece of paper, you jot down what you think the value would be from the things that you can do, or what's the value that you can add to the organization through the things that you are doing. If you start with that mind shift around questioning the value, you will see that conversations start going in a different direction. Things become a bit more intentional, people become a bit more serious around the conversation itself, and it does take time. This is not something that will overnight just happen. If it's a new project, it's a whole lot easier to do this.
Mm-hmm.
But if you've been entrenched in this for a long time, you've been doing it for let's call it 6 months plus, you're really going to struggle to sort of articulate what that value should be. So the simple answer is shift from delivery first to value first.